Email verification failed on Coinmama Fix. If you're trying to sign up for Coinmama and your email verification isn't working, don't worry, this is a common issue that can be resolved quickly. Most people get this wrong, but the problem usually isn't with Coinmama itself, it's often a simple email or browser issue. Start by double-checking the email address you entered. Even one typo, an extra space, or a missing character can prevent the verification email from being sent. Accuracy here is crucial. Next, check every folder in your email, including spam, junk, and promotions. Automated emails from Coinmama are sometimes filtered incorrectly, especially by Gmail, Outlook, or Yahoo. Once you locate the email, click the verification link promptly. These links often expire after a short period. If you still haven't received it, request a new verification email directly from Coinmama. Resending the link fixes the issue for most users. Sometimes the problem comes from your browser or device. Clear your browser cache, switch to a different browser, or try the Coinmama mobile app to ensure proper email delivery. Email providers may also block automated messages. If that happens, consider signing up with a different email address, preferably Gmail or Outlook, which are more reliable for verification emails. Finally, if none of these steps work, contact Coinmama support. Explain that your email verification failed despite trying all the steps above. Support can manually verify your account, allowing you to start buying and selling crypto without delay. Remember, check your email carefully, inspect all folders, resend the verification link if necessary, try a different browser or device, and reach out to support if needed. Following these steps usually resolves email verification issues quickly so you can start trading on Coinmama right away.